Quick story about George Zimmerman. Initially, after George Zimmerman was acquitted in the killing of Trayvon Martin, there were a number of run-ins with police. Police were called because of alleged domestic violence against his girlfriend, a whole bunch of different police interactions. And then things got very, very quiet until now. George Zimmerman was apparently punched in the face at a Sanford, Florida restaurant over the weekend. And witnesses say he was bragging about having killed Trayvon Martin. Channel 9 obtained the 911 call that was made, and we will put the transcript up on the screen for you. The 911 dispatcher saying, "Who started the argument?" Zimmerman saying, "He recognized me. He told me he was going to kill me. He told me he'd expletive shoot me, and he punched me in the face. This man just punched me in the face." The dispatcher saying, "Is he still there?" Zimmerman saying, "Yup, he said he's going to kill me. You need to send like 3 or 4 cops." Zimmerman later claimed that he was explaining to people sitting at the table that he had shot Trayvon Martin in self-defense when a large man approached and said, "You're bragging about that," before reportedly punching George Zimmerman in the face. Now, in this little incident, Zimmerman is considered the victim, but when witnesses were spoken to by authorities, they said, no, Zimmerman just came over and started bragging about killing the unarmed teen. They overheard Zimmerman reportedly say to some other person, "I love your tattoos. My name is George Zimmerman, you know, the guy who killed Trayvon Martin." And witnesses say he then proceeded to show his ID. This is weird, Lewis. You have some tattoos. Have you ever provided ID when you show people your tattoos or explain them to people?
This is, he thinks he's a celebrity.
Yeah.
Well, in a way, he sort of is, an infamous one, I suppose. But this isn't the first time we've heard that he brags about this regularly. I mean, it's his claim to fame.
I'm starting to suspect that George Zimmerman is not a great guy.
Just now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It only took him killing an unarmed teenager in a confrontation he created, calling President Obama a baboon publicly, retweeting image of Trayvon Martin's corpse, posting nude pictures of his ex-girlfriend without her consent on the internet, publicly declaring that his ex-girlfriend is a whore for effing a, quote, dirty Muslim on social media, partnering with a Muslim-free gun shop to sell Confederate flag prints that he made, getting arrested for pointing a shotgun at his girlfriend, and then again for throwing a wine bottle at his girlfriend, allegedly, and then arrested for battery of an officer after the officer tried to arrest an underage kid that Zimmerman brought into a bar years and years ago. Maybe these stories are all just wrong.
Maybe you've got the wrong idea, and this is just the media painting a bad picture of a really great guy.
I maintain we have not heard the last of George Zimmerman. Let's take a break.
GameFly is sort of like Netflix for video games. They have over 8,000 new and classic games for Xbox One, Xbox 360, PS4, PS3, Wii, and a bunch of other platforms. And you can play as many games as you want for one monthly fee. And if you find some games you want to keep, you can buy them for a low used price. There's never any due dates or late fees. And our audience can get a free 30-day trial at gameflyoffer.com/TDPS. The games are shipped directly to you with return envelopes included. There's no contracts, and you can rent games through the mobile app. Get the free 30-day trial for the David Pakman Show audience and support our show by going to gameflyoffer.com/TDPS.